How does Hisense Dehumidifier work? Hisense dehumidifiers help remove excess moisture from the air, prevent mold growth, and improve indoor air quality. They work by pulling in humid air, extracting moisture, and releasing drier air back into the room. These dehumidifiers are commonly used in basements, bedrooms, and other damp areas. 1. Air intake and moisture removal process. Hisense dehumidifiers use a fan to draw in humid air from the surrounding space. Inside the unit, the air passes over refrigerated coils, which cool it down and cause the moisture to condense into water droplets. The drier air is then reheated and released back into the room, reducing humidity levels. 2. Water collection and drainage options. The extracted moisture is collected in a removable water tank inside the dehumidifier. When the tank fills up, the unit automatically shuts off to prevent overflow. Some models also offer a continuous drainage option, where you can attach a hose to drain water directly into a sink or floor drain for hassle-free operation. 3. Humidity control and smart features. Hisense dehumidifiers come with adjustable humidity settings, allowing you to set a preferred humidity level, typically between 30% to 50% for optimal comfort. Many models also feature built-in hygrometers, digital displays, and automatic shutoff to maintain the desired humidity efficiently. 4. Air filtration and energy efficiency. Most Hisense dehumidifiers include a washable air filter, which helps remove dust and allergens from the air while dehumidifying. These units are also Energy Star certified, meaning they consume less power while providing effective moisture control, making them cost-efficient and environmentally friendly. Hisense dehumidifiers work by pulling in humid air, condensing moisture, and releasing drier air, effectively reducing humidity levels. With multiple drainage options, humidity controls, and air filtration, they are a reliable choice for keeping indoor spaces dry and comfortable.